Hello guys, what's up? Ron here and welcome back to my channel. In this video, ituturo ko po sa inyo kung paano mag-schedule ng appointment online to get driver license here in Taiwan. If you're an OFW and you're planning to get a motorcycle, at syempre, para legit po yung pagdadrive natin dito sa Taiwan, kailangan po natin ng lisensya. So dito sa video na to, ituturo ko sa inyo step by step yung pinakamadali at pinakasimpleng paraan ng pagkuha ng schedule online. If you're interested, please continue watching and finish till the very end para mas matutunan at mas malinawan po kayo kung paano at ano yung mga dapat nyo pang gawin. By the way, kung gusto nyo mga ganitong klaseng video or video tutorial, please like and subscribe my channel para lagi kayong updated sa susunod kong upload. Okay, let's get started. So first of all guys, punta po tayo sa site nila, which is yung mvdis.gov.taiwan. And then yan, pagka-click mo yan, yung itong nasa taas, click mo yan. Tapos yan, click natin tong upper right na kulay orange. Tapos ayan, yung pang-apat, yung exam. Tapos registration. Pagka-click mo ng registration, type of registration. Ayan, itong nasa taas. Tapos yung date. Sa date guys, huwag kayong magkakamali. Yung year nila is 111. Kailan nyo kukunin yung exam? 11 November 9, 09. So yan, ganyan yung pagkakalagay ng date of test pagka mag-schedule kayo. Tapos place of test, kung saan kayo malapit. Halimbawa sa amin, sa akin dito, Chiayi. Yung Tainan is sakop pa ng Chiayi. So Chiayi yung pipiliin natin. Tapos dito sa pangalawa, piliin natin yung Mado Supervision Station. Saan kayo malapit guys? Yung piliin nyo. Tapos query session, search. Tapos pagka-search natin, ayan, meron pang bakante na isa. I-take na po natin yan. Tapos ayan, ganyan yung lalabas. Go to the hazard awareness platform. I-take lang natin tong pinaka-drive test dito sa mobile phone natin. Tingnan natin kung makakailan score tayo. So yan, gabi na. Takip silim. May motor doon sa kaliwa ha. Full brake. Next. Yan. Hanggang tatlong situation lang yan. So, ayan guys, nakita nyo. Perfect. Easy.
Wow.
Basic. Tapos, scroll down nyo guys. Tapos, makikita nyo itong continue to make an appointment. Click nyo yan. Tapos, ayan. Ordinary heavy locomotive. Query session. Sign up for sign up. Click nyo itong sign up for sign up. So ayan, I have fully understood relevant agreement and I'm willing to accept it. Okay, click lang natin yan and then yan. Ordinary heavy locomotive, November 9 this year. Morning session siya guys. Tapos Mado Supervision Station. Gagawin yung drive test. And then yung ID number. Sa ID number guys, ito yung ARC number. So ayan, birthday. Sa birthday guys, huwag kayong magkakamali ha. Kung ano yung nasa health card nyo na birthday, ganun siya. Dapat yung format nya guys ay kagaya dito. Sample, ayan ah. 084 0331. Ayan, ganyan. Okay. Name. So, ayan, pag okay na kayo dyan, and then click nyo lang tong sign up for sign up. Ayan na natin, screenshot. Tapos, sign up for sign up. So, ayan, naka-check-in na tayo dito. So, ayan. Models of Aviation, November 9 this year. Ordinary heavy locomotive. So ayan yung schedule niya. So ayan, ganun lang kasimple guys. And that's it for today's video. If you have any question, advice, or suggestion, just comment it down below and I will try my best to take response sa abot ng makakaya ko. Thank you for watching and hopefully nakatulong ang video na to answer all the clarification that you have. And if you find value on my video, I would be happy if you consider like and subscribe my channel. And click nyo na rin yung notification bell button para lagi kayong updated sa futures upload ko. Yun lang po, maraming salamat and God bless us all.